academic validation and learning drive among senior high school students. Now, every student have their academic validation whenever they receive their grades every time, right? Well, this academic validation will turn into drive for them to either do better in their studies or to not do better in their studies.
Statement of the problem. Number 1. What is the level of academic validation of senior high school students of Pablo Lorenzo National High School? Number 2. What is the level of learning drive of senior high school students of Pablo Lorenzo National High School? Number 3. What is a significant relationship between academic validation and learning drive of senior high school students of Pablo Lorenzo National High School? And number 4. What is the significant impact of academic validation towards learning drive of senior high school students of Pablo Lorenzo National High School? So our independent variable is academic validation and our dependent variable is learning drive. Theoretical framework. Self-determination theory (SDT) emphasizes the importance of autonomy, competence, and relatedness in fostering high-quality motivation and well-being.
Okay, for our research methodology, we use descriptive correlational. For our research respondents, it's a simple random sampling from 160 sample out of 568 total population of senior high school students. Our research instrument is researcher-made survey questionnaires. And our statistical treatment of the data is mean, standard deviation, Pearson R, and simple linear regression analysis. Now, for the results and discussions, the level of academic validation is, for the standard deviation, we have 0.95659, and the mean is 3.3253, which led to a descriptive level of average, meaning that our senior high school students feel the level of academic validation in senior high school students is only average. Next, for our dependent variable, which is learning drive, for the standard deviation, we have 0.95971, and for the mean, we have 3.3111, where the descriptive level of, again, average, which means, similar to our independent variable, the level of learning drive within our senior high school students is average.
Based on our research, we have found out that there is a significant relationship between academic validation and learning drive. When the students feel recognized and supported, they become more motivated and eager to learn. Schools and teachers can boost students' drive by giving more academic recognitions, leading to a better learning and growth. This means that academic validation helps students stay eager and driven to succeed. The influence of academic validation on learning drive is that when the students feel appreciated for their efforts, they become more motivated to learn. Positive recognitions can boost their confidence and persistence, leading to a better academic performance. So without validation, their motivation may decrease, affecting their willingness to study.
Now let's move on to summary, conclusions, and recommendations. For the summary, we have the motivation insights that explores academic validation's impact on student engagement, the teaching strategies to offer guidance for effective educational needs, policy guidance informs supportive school policies on recognition, well-being connection links validation to improve self-esteem and mental health, research opportunities opens avenues for further studies on validation. Next is student empowerment encourages self-awareness and advocacy in learning. Now, for our conclusions, number 1, validation importance. Number 2, intrinsic motivation. Number 3, positive link. 4, key predictor. And 5, cultural support. Now, for our recommendations. Number 1, we have educators provide consistent feedback and recognition. Now, consistent feedback and recognition will give our students more academic validation, which may lead to them having more drive to learn or motivation to learn more. Next is for the future researchers, let's investigate other factors such as peer influence, cultural influence. Then, conduct research in a wider scope of respondents to gain more saturated results. As this research is conducted only in Pablo Lorenzo National High School, Senior High School, conducting this research.
Congratulations, Section Integrity. Since both of, it is noted that both of the level of your IBND are average, but still it gives us significant relationship and significant impact at the same time. So can you expound further any supporting literatures that support the findings, bounding the results that you provided on the relationship and impact?
Well, according to Garcia and Flores in 2019, academic validation gives the students motivation to do better, to do well, and to perform better, especially when they are in school. More likely when they are in school. Then, that is the actual literature. That is one of the only literatures that we have found that supports that's the results that again from Garcia and Flores in 2019.
Okay, congratulations, Section Integrity.